guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ellen here. So first off, I just want to say I hope you're all staying safe and I hope you're all staying well and staying home as well. Obviously still in lockdown here in the UK, as I'm sure many other countries are as well, with the pandemic going on, and we don't know when we're going to be out of it, but let's try and stay positive. So today I am going to be doing a haul video. So there were a few things that I was wanting to try out, so I thought, why not purchase them and do a haul video. It's not a huge haul, I'm not gonna lie, there's not that many items. It is a Beauty Bay and Makeup Revolution haul. So the items that I got from Makeup Revolution, they just weren't in stock on Beauty Bay, so I did two separate orders. I did a Beauty Bay order and I did a Makeup Revolution order, but you can get the Makeup Revolution products on Beauty Bay. They just weren't in stock when I ordered them. So basically, I did two separate orders. So let's see if I can show you them. So I've got two boxes here full, oh I can't even get them in shot, full of goodies to be trying out. So, oh god, that made me jump. So yeah, I've got two boxes full of goodies to be trying out. Like I said, it's not a massive haul, but let's just jump straight into it. So I think I'm going to start off with the Beauty Bay order first, and I do still have the invoices so I can tell you how much everything cost. So the first thing I got from Beauty Bay, look how cute this box is, by the way. So these are just the Beauty Bay makeup sponges. So they do the normal ones and they do the microfiber ones. I just got the normal ones because I'm not really sure about the microfiber ones yet. Just gonna stick to the normal ones, but basically I absolutely love beauty blenders, like, oh sorry, that's the actual brand, but like a beauty sponge to apply my makeup. But I did have a few. I had a beauty blender and some Real Techniques ones, but I got rid of them because obviously they were quite old. I kind of had it, so I thought I'd buy some more because I've not had any beauty sponges in ages. I can't open this, by the way. So I bought the Beauty Bay ones, as I was saying. These were £7. There are two. Oh my god, I cannot open this. It's got like, you know, the little sticker, and I cannot take that off. There we go, finally. This is what they look like. That is really cute how they've got like a little separator as well. I don't know if you can see that, but they've got like a little divider in between. But that is so cute how they come in this little like pull out little tray. And this is what they look like. So just your normal, you know, little egg beauty sponges. They've got obviously like a little bit of a flat part there, pointed and rounded. So that's what they're looking like. They feel really soft. Obviously won't know what they're like until they're wet and I actually give them a go, but they feel really soft and springy, as you can see. So I'm excited to give these a go and see what they are like. So obviously some sponges are amazing, others are a bit of a flop, but I'm super excited to give them a go because I've been wanting to get some beauty sponges for a while now after I had to bin my other ones, so I can't wait to give them a go. And then they just slot right back in. That's super cute. So the next thing the next two things I got, there's only two more things from Beauty Bay and they are both from Milani. So I'm just going to see if I can get this packaging off first. Just so you know, the Beauty Bay order arrived a few days ago, but the Makeup Revolution one didn't arrive until today, and I've not actually opened the products because I wanted to see, like, just do the whole video and see what they're like. So I got a bronzer from Milani. This is in the shade Dolce. This is what it looks like. Super cute packaging, and I can't even open the packaging. There we go. And that's what it's looking like. So it's just a really nice sort of like, it's got a bit of a glow to it. It's a bit of a shimmery bronzer, but not too much. So I'm just going to give it a swatch. It's quite like a baked bronzer as well, which is quite nice. That's what it's looking like. I don't know if you can see that on the back of my hand. That is what the swatch looks like. My swatch is never the best, guys, I'm sorry, but I don't know if you can see, it's got a bit of a glow to it. It's not like glittery, it's not got like shimmer in it or chunks of glitter, but it does just give a bit of a nice glow to the skin. So I am super excited to be trying this out because I've been wanting to try out a new bronzer for a while, and I wanted to try something that was a bit more on the affordable side as well. So this was £12.25, which for a bronzer I think that's amazing. Like the MAC ones are like £25 or however much they are, probably more now because I know the prices go up all the time, but I'm super excited to try that. And how much product do you actually get in this, by the way? So you get 7 grams of product, so that's pretty good. Feels like quite hefty, like to do with the packaging, makes it feel expensive and bougie. But so I got a blush, and this is in the shade Luminosa? Luminoso, yeah. So that is what that looks like. It's just a little bit smaller than the bronzer, as you can see. So this has 3.5 grams of product and it costs £10.95, which is super cute. Give it, oh, I wondered what was happening then. It's got like a little mirror and a brush. I won't use it. Does the bronzer of that? Is that why it felt a bit like heavy? Ah, oh, it does. I didn't know that. So yeah, the bronzer also has like a little mirror and brush in there as well. Probably won't be using the brush, but the little mirror is quite handy. And then the blush is the exact same. So that's why it felt a bit like heavy. So this is also like a baked blush as well. As you can see, it's quite domed. So let's give it a swatch. It's like quite a nice peachy colour, because I prefer more peachy or bronzy colours to more pinks personally for blush. So that is what that looks like. I've not done a massive swatch. If you can hear anything, that's my dog, by the way, in the background. I don't know what he's doing. But that is the swatch. As you can see, it's pretty glowy as well. You can see it glowing on the back of my hand. So that is super, super pretty. Cannot wait to give this a go. Like I said, I've had it for a few days now and I've been waiting to open it, but I've been waiting for my other order to do this video so that I could open them. So there we have it. That's what I got from Beauty Bay. Those few items just there. So now I'm going to move on to my Makeup Revolution products that I've purchased. Okay, so just to start off with, I do already have these, but I just wanted to purchase them in different colours, so I'll explain. So I got the Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation with Hyaluronic Acid and the Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Concealer with Hyaluronic and something else. Basically the Concealer and Hydrate Foundation and Concealer. I can just hear my dog whining in the background. I think he's just excited about Daniel. He's still in bed. He's very lazy. It is 1:20 and he's still in bed. Ridiculous. Anyways, so yeah, I just got the foundation and concealer, so I'll just open these up. So basically I do already have the foundation and concealer. I can never open these. I do already have this foundation and concealer, but I have them in light shades and I wanted them for when I'm more tan, when I'm wanting to look a bit more bronzy and not so pale. The actual concealer I have in this is ridiculously pale, so I definitely wanted to get another one of them in the right colour. Let's hope it's the right colour, because obviously I had to order this online, so fingers crossed it's not completely wrong. This is the foundation. This is in the shade F9.5. It comes with a little pump, so I'm just going to see what that is like. One of those things, and it's a new foundation, you've got to pump it a few times, so I don't want too much product to come out. That's what the foundation looks like. It's quite a nice colour. Obviously you can see it is darker than my skin. Like I said, I'm not wearing fake tan at the minute, but this is for when I do have some fake tan on. So that's what that one is looking like. It's such a nice foundation. I absolutely love this concealer and foundation. They are incredible, and I'll just show you the concealer. Okay, so I got the concealer in the shade C5, so I'll just show you this. I obviously got the like more jumbo one, and it's got a nice big dome applicator, like a sponge, should I say? I don't know what to call it. That sound though. So that's what the concealer looks like next to the foundation. It's much better colour, I think. Obviously I still want my concealer to be a little bit lighter for the brightening underneath the eye, but that is much better. What I'll do is I'll actually swatch the ones I currently have next to them so you can see. Like, that's the difference in colours. Like, that is ridiculous, but I'll swatch the other two. So this is the difference in the shades of the foundation and concealer. So we've got the foundation in F9.5 and the foundation in F6. And then here we've got the concealer in the shade C5 and the concealer in the shade C3. So clearly very different. That's why I wanted to get some others. So I've actually got ones that are going to match my skin when I'm tanned, because it's one of my favourite foundations. Scratch that, it's potentially my favourite foundation. That and the Too Faced Boundless Bay, they're my absolute favourite foundations, they're my go-tos. I've just realised I've not told you the price of those. So the concealer was, oh my god, does this not tell me? So I just realised this doesn't even tell me the price. So I'm pretty sure, I'm going to Google, but I'm pretty sure the concealer is £7 and the foundation is £9. Let's have a look. Yeah, so the foundation is £9 and you get 23ml in the foundation, and the concealer for this size is £7, and you get 13 grams. I don't know why it says milligrams, that's so strange. You get 13 grams of concealer. So £7.99, that's really inexpensive. So moving on, the next thing I bought, so basically I've not done any cream bronzer or contour in like forever, and I miss it, so I wanted to get something to be able to do some, I can't open this, some cream bronzer slash contour, and I always just like to use like a foundation stick for that. So at first I wasn't sure which to use. I really can't open this, guys, so I wasn't sure which one to get at first, but I just thought, you know what, whilst I'm ordering from Makeup Revolution, I know they do a foundation stick, so I'll give theirs a go, and I got this in the shade F13. I'm hoping this is going to be okay because, like I said, I got it online, so I couldn't really tell. But let's give it a go. Looks like a nice shade, actually. That's what the colour looks like when I've just put it on. I'm just going to blend that out. Ooh, it blends really nicely. Okay, yeah, that is absolutely beautiful. It's a really good shade as well, because even on the dark foundation, it'll still look nice and bronzy. So I am super happy with that. It blends out stunningly. Can't wait to give that a go, because like I said, I've not done any like cream bronzer or cream contour in forever. So that was in the shade F13, just on the bottom there. But yeah, and it just winds up just a nice stick. So I don't know how much this was, and I don't know how much product is in here. Okay, I don't know how much product is in here because it doesn't actually say, I don't think. I can't see that it says anywhere. But the price of it is, so it's like £5.99, so it's £6. I forgot to tell you, this is actually called the Fast Base Foundation Stick. So that's what the product is called. So really excited to give this a go. I think the packaging on all of these is so cute, like the whole like pink and rose gold kind of vibes. I'm loving that. So last two things now from Makeup Revolution, and I got some things from their Glass Skin range, which I'm super excited to try because I have dry skin and I really want to have nice glowing wet looking skin, don't we all? So let's see if I can open these up, because I never can. Why are like the little stickery things so difficult to get off? It's ridiculous. This packaging is so cute as well. It's like quite holographic. It's really nice. So if I can get into it. So this is what it looks like. So this is the Glass Skin Prime Ultimate Dewy Finish. So it looks so nice. You can see it sort of looks like it doesn't look like, I don't know, just what I mean. It looks more like a gel or a serum because it's quite thick. It's not too liquidy. So this costs £10, so it's not much at all, to be fair. £10 for a primer. Been wanting to try out some new primers for a while, especially like drugstore ones. So let's see what it's like. It's got a little pump again. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. I don't know if you can see that. It is like a bit of a thicker consistency. Feels really, really nice. Just blending that into the skin. Don't know what's happening with Oscar. He's playing, I think. Just blending that into the skin. It feels so nice. It almost feels like an oil. So I'd say it's more on the serumy side than the gel side. But that has just given my skin on the back of my hand a really nice glow. I don't know if you can see on camera, but oh my god, that feels absolutely amazing. I really can't wait to try that out. Like I said, got really dry skin and I like to look more glowy, so I think this is going to do wonders, and I think it's also going to be hydrating at the same time as priming, so I'm super excited to do that, to use that, should I say? I can't talk. Final product of this haul is the Makeup Revolution Glass Glow Fix Ultimate Glow Dewy Fixing Spray. This has got the same like sort of holographic look to it. Looks really nice and sleek. This costs £8. I'm so excited to give this a go. In fact, I'm going to try it out now. I forgot that there'll be a little sticker on it, so I can't actually open it. Oh my god, why can I never open these? I've been wanting to try like the glass skin kind of trend theme, whatever, for quite a while now, so that's what it's looking like. So it looks really, really nice. I'm going to give it a spritz, see what it's like. I don't know how to describe the smell of it, but it smells clean. Do you know like when you go to a dentist and it smells like really clean? That's what it smells like. Can't get the lid back on. But it's not got too much of a scent. Looks, obviously it's not gonna do loads, it's just a setting spray, but it's giving my skin quite a nice glow, I think. So that's actually quite nice. It's not like a fine mist when it sprays out, but it's not like the MAC Fix Plus where it just like leaves wet patch on your skin either. It's like dried really nicely. So that is super nice. Can't wait to try that out more because I've been wanting to get a new setting spray for a while because I'm running out of my Fix Plus and the Glam Glow one. So happy that I picked this one up. Like I said, that's £8, which is amazing value, I personally think. But that is everything that I got in this collection. I'm super excited to obviously actually use the products and give them a go. So I might do like a video on that, like a first impressions, like kind of thing, or I might do like a trying out the glass skin trend or something like that. Let me know in the comments what you want to see and I will give it a go. But yeah, super excited to film with those. So hopefully my next video after this one will be a look using these products because I'm super excited to give them a go. I should probably wipe this off the back of my hand. Also guys, this is really off topic, but how cute does my hair look? So I gave the trend a go. Do you know the like, I think it was something on TikTok where the girl used like the rope of a dressing gown, like the belt, to curl her hair. So I tried it. This is the second time I've done it and I absolutely really like it. It has like dropped a little bit, but my hair always does. When I first did it, it's like massive, but I think I prefer it now that it's dropped a tiny bit. But like it really curls the hair. Like look at how curly it is. That's so off topic, but I'm absolutely in love with that trend because it means that I don't really have to put too much effort in because it takes like 5 minutes just to curl it around your dressing gown belt. Like go to sleep, wake up, take it out, perfect curls. It's amazing. That's super off topic. This is a makeup channel. Well, I guess it's beauty, isn't it? Can class it as that. It's a beauty channel, so we can talk about hair if you want to as well. I'm going to shut up blabbing because I have no idea what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's the end of my haul video, guys. Didn't spend all that much money. Like I said, I didn't get too many products because, well, I was trying to be sensible. Plus, obviously, the products I did get, they're all like fairly cheap, like the drugstore or affordable products, shall we say. So yeah, I'm super excited to give them a go when I next do my makeup. Hopefully, like I said, that'll be the next video that I film, will be like a first impressions video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what you want to see next, and let me know if you enjoy these kinds of videos, if you want me to see more haul videos, or if you want to just see more actual tutorials, let me know. Also, I did this makeup today. I haven't, sorry, just ignore my hand. I haven't filmed a tutorial on it, but if you do want to see a tutorial on it, just let me know. It's a really simple look and I never do an all my eye, hardly ever, so it was quite nice just to do something different for a change. Anyways, I'm gonna love you and leave you guys, and like I said, I hope you're all staying safe and staying home as well. See you guys.